Have you ever run into situations like these on your iPhone? The screen is glitching with vertical or horizontal lines, opening random windows by itself without you touching it. Brightness is changing erratically. Display turned pink or green after updating. No worries. In this video, we'll walk you through 7 best ways to fix it. Let's dive in. The first trick is to give your phone a fresh reboot. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Let it go when you see the Apple logo. Maybe it can fix the problem, maybe not, but always worth trying. Sometimes it's the pressure from your case or screen protector causing the glitching. In that situation, removing them could be the fix. If you dropped your phone to the floor or water and it started to glitch, here is a magic touch that could help you out. Try applying pressure to the top of the screen. Inside that part are the connections between your touch screen and the logic board, which could have become loose after the incident. So you just press down and massage it a little bit. The touch screen could be working again at some point. If the brightness on your iPhone is changing too quickly, consider turning the auto brightness off. In your Settings app, go to Accessibility, Display, and X Size. Scroll down and you'll see the auto brightness toggle. Go ahead and turn it off. If you're seeing the pink or green screen, go to Display and Text Size again. This time we tap on Color Filter. Then go ahead and turn the switch off. If the glitch only happens in specific app, in that case, you can just hold the app icon, tap Remove App, then delete it from your device. Now you can reinstall it in the App Store. Hopefully it'll start acting normally after that. If you still need help, try repairing your iPhone with REIBOOT, which is a professional iOS repair tool. Once connect your device, click Start on the home screen. Go with the standard repair by default so you won't lose any data. Once downloaded the firmware, you can start to repair. After the repair process is complete, check if your screen is working again. So that's it.